Now it is.
Yeah, see you gotta hold it down, babe, or it's just like...
I can't see him. The mirror's in the way. Okay. There we go.
We have to stop.
I can't wait till you start going. Oh, dude's on the phone.
So?
Too.
Babe! Dear Jesus, that lady's got moose knuckles. Got it.
These kids right here.
Now there's some you can
Hold on. No. Phew. Oh my god. I'm gonna get shot or something.
That would have been perfect, Chad.
That's too freaking.
How is that freaking
I don't
close?
like being like right up in the person's face. I don't know. Oh my god.
Here, you record.
Feeling pretty sexy right now. I can't wait to check it out in the mirror.